I used Kalshi, and I am here to teach you how to use it. Kalshi lets you trade on real-world events like elections, inflation, and sports outcomes. Step 1. Create a Kalshi account first. Go to kalshi.com and sign up. Enter your email, create a password, and complete identity verification. This is required because Kalshi is a regulated platform. Step 2. Verify your identities next. Submit your personal details like your legal name and ID. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases it can take longer. Step 3. Add funds to your account. Once verified, go to the wallet section. You can fund your account using a linked bank account. Kalshi currently does not support credit cards. Step 4. Browse markets. Now, explore the available markets. You'll see categories like politics, economics, sports, and global events. Each market is a yes or no question with prices that change based on probability. Step 5. Place a trade click on a market you're interested in. Choose yes or no. Select how many contracts you want, then confirm your trade. Each contract is worth $1 if it resolves correctly. Step 6. Monitor or exit your position. You can hold your position until the event ends or sell early if the price moves in your favor. Your profit or loss updates in real time. Step 7. Withdraw your earnings. After the event settles, go back to your wallet and withdraw funds to your bank account. Final tip. Kalshi is not gambling. It's a regulated prediction market, but there's still risk. Only trade money you can afford to lose. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.